Dude, 1.2 million views. Holy moly. Dude, this franchise is absolutely insane. I cannot believe it. Wow. So it looks like there's a new map. Is that what the update is? The live stream was one of the most viewed gaming live events. Yeah, that's what I saw. It's insane. Wow. Insane, dude. I can't believe it. Hey, but good for them, right? Good for them. That's pretty remarkable. I didn't know how long they were gonna go on with that. I thought it was gonna go on a little bit longer, honestly, but anywho, thanks for stopping in, folks. Today again is day 32 of Grüvee, the music social mobile app development app thing that we're making. Yesterday we were starting to work on finishing up, cleaning up some of the song list view code, as well as just overall maintenance in the app. Um, we got a couple more things here. We left off with actually moving all of our like icons and image assets to the root folder, or to a root folder in our project. So I'm going to finish that up today, and then pretty much move on to the add song modal. Which what we're going to have to do is actually reuse a component that we're already using and make it a bit more generic, so we can actually have multiple types of add methods here. So let's go ahead and get started then, eh? Welcome in. Glad to have you all here. It is always nice to see your faces or your usernames. That works too. All right. Um, okay, so we stopped there. The last one we have is just a trash can icon. The trash. Let me bring up the good old sketch. You know, the good old sketch. Was the icon white? The heckle? It is. It's right there. Okay, let me. Why is it black here? Let me just copy this over real quick. Actually, we don't need that. We just need one of these guys. And now we're going to change it up a little bit. Hey, silly, what's up? I'm doing good, man. How you doing? Welcome in. Always nice to see you. Uh, shape. We want to make this white. There we go. Oh, say my top moved up a little bit. What? Already messed things up. All right, hold up. Gonna move that over here. That trash has a path. That path's gonna have a fill. That's not the right fill. We want the shape. It's gonna have that color. And now we're gonna export this thing here as, what did I call it? Trash icon. All right. Trash icon. I'm doing well. Working with gRPC and JavaScript. Oh, okay, okay. And how is it? You feeling good about it? Not so good? All right, cool. So we did that, and now we can add that to our icons. New folder. I've been making new folders for all these. So we have plus icons, social icons, trash icons. The reason why I've been making new folders is because we have 3 of each icon. And I just thought it made sense because of the pixel density stuff. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. Okay, so we got our trash icons. Now, let's go ahead and find our trash icon reference. Oh, right. Okay. So we need to go to swipe action, though, I'm pretty sure. Well, I love gRPC, JavaScript not so much. I kind of need to make a proof of concept for the company I'm working with. Ah, gotcha. Okay, okay. Yeah, I don't think I've ever worked with gRPC before. You know, I was talking to my roommate yesterday about doing some like concept work, and I was like, I think I would really enjoy it. You know, like building out prototypes. I think it could be pretty fun. Okay, so we have the source that comes in here through the icon name. I think what we're going to need to do is probably pass. Well, we could do 2 things. One, we could pass in just the path of the image. Or since we know that this is a swipe action, we can also set up some sort of logic that says, hey, pass in the name of whatever our action is called. And then if our action is blah, then we set, like, we know what icon to delete or to add on, right? Yeah, I don't know. I feel like passing in the path of whatever, or not even the path. We can just pass in the actual encoded image already, right? So here, we just, since we're actually creating our action component, let's just create a trash icon trash. Oh, well, I gotta do this, right? It would be and then do I have to do like a return probably? And do return here. Or the thing is, I don't want to. Yeah, no, we should do it like this. Oh, wrong one. gRPC is fucking fun to play with, and the prototype is fun when working with Swift, but when using JavaScript, I kind of need to figure out from scratch. Yeah, I mean, it's just something you're not as familiar with, right? So that stuff always takes time, dude. Okay, cool. I wanted to make sure that was just that. So we do a require here. This require is going to be Grüvee. We're going to do Grüvee. Assets, icons, trash, icon.png. And then this guy is going to just go here. do this though. So now we're actually passing in the asset itself. This component unexpected require. Yeah. And so again, the reason why we want to do this is because we're only accessing this trash icon when we generate this swipe action component. Like, we're not using it anywhere else. Yo, Vespers, do you also have experience in React.js? Not really, a little bit. Essentially writing React Native is writing React.js. It's just a different subset of it, right? Yeah, the challenge is what's important, that's right. That is correcto, sir. It's like, it's sort of nice to do stuff like that though, you know? Every so often you're like, well, I'm totally doing something that I'm not comfortable with at all. And then you walk away from it and you're like, holy crap, that was actually really cool. You learn so much, you know? It's always just that initial like, oh man, I gotta learn this thing. Like how long is it gonna take me to do something so simple? And then once you get it, boom, you in business, man. All right, cool. So our swipe action now is taking our proper asset, and yep, that's there. So now our swipe action, since it's going to be here, we're going to need to actually just change this to be icon. Change this to be icon. And then we're going to go from there. Yo, Yag! What the? Holy moly, Yag! Thanks so much for the host, man. I didn't know you streamed. Holy moly. Welcome in. Yag, what were you streaming, dude? Thanks for being here. I think Twitch is broken. Uh-oh. Wow, what happened? I can't see your stream. Oh, well, that's really awkward. Dude, thank you so much for the host, man. Appreciate you being here. How was your stream? What were you streaming? Do you think I should try getting into freelance as a web developer, or should I try to get into React Native? You know, Vesper, I think it just kind of depends on what you want to do, right? Web development and React Native almost could go hand in hand these days. But yeah, man, I think it just kind of depends what you're interested in doing. Because you could do freelance and do both. Did you try just doing refresh? Did that not work, Yag? Damn, my stream sucks then. What's up, Ibram? So if I want to build an app like this, what programming should I learn? So if you want to build something like this, you could do JavaScript. So we're using React Native again. So the base of that is JavaScript with some fanciness on top. You can also learn, if you just want to do one platform, you can learn Swift, you can learn Java, you can learn Kotlin, you can learn C#. There's a whole world, of languages to choose from, my friend, for sure. Okay, so we changed this to icon, and now that's our source. Okay, so I think we're good, guys. Now we just need to compile everything and literally pray and hope for the best. It's like let's just pray, man. See what happens. Dude, I'm so really excited about the app. Yo, I'm glad, man. I'm really excited too. I really hope that we get some good stuff going, man. I think it's gonna be a really cool looking app. All right, let's throw an npm start in here. Let's see if we get any bundle issues. Wow, those icons. And then let's just do an npm run iOS start. I think that's a command. Yeah. I can only watch you with a VPN. Oh my god. Oh, is my stream blocked where you are? That's weird. That is super weird, man. I guess it's not weird. I guess it just depends on your country. My content can't be seen in some places, I guess. All right. Metro Boner has encountered an internal error. All right, let's see what it is. Is there any popular app built in React? There is, for sure. I wouldn't probably be able to name any off the top of my head, but I'm almost positive there are. Okay, so bundling failed. Error while resolving module Grüvee assets icons default album PNG. The module assets icon default cannot be found. Okay, so we couldn't just find this. Let's see where we at here. Oh, unable to resolve module path. Okay, so. Oh, it's probably because this is in defaults now, right? Yeah, because I did assets Grüvee, assets defaults, album artwork. That wasn't spelled right. Album artwork. There we go. All right, easy fix. Ooh, this is almost first try status here, folks. Let's see. Are we gonna get it? Oh baby, I think we might have gotten it. Are you in Hong Kong? Oh, what's up, Jacob? Welcome in. Yeah, the host came in, dude. I was asking what's going on. I was like, I didn't even know you streamed. Dude, that's awesome, man. Thank you so much for the host. I appreciate you. What were you streaming? I gotta make sure to drop you a follow, man. What's up, brewers? Yeah, dude. There we go. I'm working on a mobile game on stream. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, cool. Hopefully one of these days when I'm setting up for my stream, I can hop on by. I would love to watch. Yo, what's up, Davey Wesley's? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here. Yeah, we did, Roars. We did. We had a little bit of a hiccup coming in. Okay, cool. So far, all our icons are looking solid, folks. There we go. Oh my god. I would say this. Guys, I'm gonna dare to say that this was a first try. Oh my goodness, man. First try. Who would have ever thunk it? Hell yeah. Nice. I'd love to stream more, first of all. Dude, you should. If you can grab the time to. It's just got to go out and do it. Did you have a plan to finish this app sooner? I didn't have a plan on when I was going to finish it. It was just kind of finishing it when it's finished. It's just a fun project. I just want people to use it, yeah. You have UX feeds back? Okay. Go for it, Verse. Oh, nice. You got one of those like small addictive games. That's a smart one. What's up, Davey? Are you using some API? I'm not yet, but I will be. After we finish doing the mock stuff, we'll be setting up some backend services to get everything all plumbed through. No, I got you. I think I understand what you're talking about. I just imagine one of those games like you play when you're sitting on the train or something. Small and addictive. All right, so let me go ahead and also remove all of the assets from Android Studio before we do this commit. Yeah, that's awesome, man. And so are you building it for a certain platform, or you're just doing it for or you're doing it cross-platform? Cool. So we're going to go here. And now we can delete all our drawable stuff since we're not using it anymore. Delete. See ya, buddy. We're going to make sure this also works on Android, right? That should be a good thing. So I find the swiping delete really clumsy. I feel like the delete icon should appear once it moves, not to be hidden, or do a Gmail effect where you swipe to delete archive. Gotcha. Okay. I would agree with you. I felt the same way when I first started looking at it, and it's like it feels weird doing it with a mouse as well. So I'm wondering if it'll feel better when it's actually on device. That's something that we can test too. But no, yeah, I agree with you. I think the thing is for now, I'm not trying to get stuck too much into UX things and UI stuff. This was just kind of like, this just came out of my brain. Let's just build it out and see what happens. And then once we get into a groove with like betas and stuff, then we start doing all the UI and UX cleanup for sure. But I agree with you. Yeah, it's super, I think it could be definitely improved. Hey, Kika. Nice to see you, man. How are you doing? I forked it, so I played with it. Oh, awesome. Okay. Yeah, words. I mean, if I agree with you on the swipe stuff, if you want to go in and work on it, please do. I would love to take your PR. How's Grüvee? I haven't been able to catch your streams at all. Yeah, I was wondering where you've been. Grüvee's been good, man. We've been doing a lot of kind of just cleanup the past couple streams. So that's what we're kind of working on now. About to get into the add song stuff, which will be good. Yeah, it's exciting, man. But I think it's coming along. I think we're getting there. Okay. So now, just make sure we have our icons on Android. Oh, right. So the default image doesn't actually work in debug mode in Android. So that's why we're not seeing anything here. It's good to know. We found that out yesterday. But everything else looks good other than that. You want to take? Of course, Wars. What the heck? We'll do a PR review right on stream. You know it. Are you a full stack dev? I think so. I would hope so. I think I'm pretty close. I can do all the things. You can't get Android to work? Uh-oh. Why? Hey, hardly a pro morning. Welcome in. I have a mock of the default album song cover. Yeah, dude, so I took what you put on Discord. This guy here. So if you have more changes to that, please send them over. We'll get them in. I'll just poop when he turns up. Oh, why it's not working? Like, is it not compiling, or like what's the deal? All right, so we're gonna add all this stuff. It's commit time, folks. Removing all bundle assets and moving them to root of project. And a boom. Oh, well, so you have to, are you running it through the command though, Roars? Through the package.json? There's a special command that you got to run for the Android one, because of the React navigation stuff that we used. Oh, okay. So you are running it then, yeah. Yeah, hold up. Where is my package.json? Here it is. Oh, yeah, that is the right one to use. Interesting. You might wonder if you need a, like, I think of pod install on iOS to like download any packages. npm install would be for this, but I don't think I don't know if Android has something equivalent. I can read? Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe I thought you couldn't. I don't know. No, it's because there's two here. Android and Android Start. Like, this is kind of confusing, actually. We should probably... Actually, might make sense to call this Android Start and, like, delete this, actually. Since we have iOS Start, right? Uh-oh. Why? Why can't I delete it? It doesn't use... Oh, it does. You're right. You're right. It uses it. No, you good. But actually we can. We could totally delete it. We can just run this, right? Like if I do and npm run Android start, I mean, all it's doing is this. Yeah. And let's just do that. Right? That's like, it's definitely much better. So let's then do npm run Android start, just like iOS start. Hey, Ashev, welcome back. I'm going through a rebrand. Okay. I like it. I like it. Welcome in. How you doing today? Yeah, sure, Yag. Let me get this thing built and then we'll do it. Cool. All right, we looking good. Very good. Oh, I got an error. What? React Native run Android. No, that should be okay. All right, let me take a look, see. That's cute. Here's what I'm thinking. Something simple like that for sure. But what if the middle of the CD? Oh, man, let me hey, can you send it through Discord? Or actually here, I can actually do it. Sometimes this like dual streaming PC setup is kind of annoying. I gotta go here and go there. Have you used Jasmine for testing? I have not actually. I have not. What's the... Oh, actually I have. I have used Jasmine. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. So everyone can see. I like this. What if we did something where we make the like... I just think it looks weird with this middle portion, and we need a different color here. Maybe like the orange color that we have for right here, like this orange-ish thing. You know what I mean? Everyone can join the Good Luck Have Fun pledge. Oh, really? Huh. I actually didn't know that. Is this an Android phone on this stream? Look, the hell freezes over. What's up, off? Hell yeah, man. Yeah, the only thing that like messes with me right now is this, the middle of the CD. It looks like, I don't know, it looks weird to me. But yeah, dude, anything you want, you add it in there. Just post in Discord if you can, and I'll bring it up on stream. Hold on, let me run this Android script again. The fic? Let me actually go here. I'm gonna delete it. And then we're gonna try one more time. npm run Android start. Okay. Yeah, it's something, yeah, with like contrast maybe. Yeah, actually, that'd be awesome. Thank you. So what's going on with the rebranding? What are you looking to do? Okay, so it says unrecognized command. I wonder. It's kind of weird, huh? Yeah, it says that run Android's unrecognized. Is it not run Android? No, it is. It's run iOS and run Android. Let's do a quick googly search. Awesome. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm sure reverting it back will work, but I'm trying to get why. Like why would running the script separately work? npm run Android. Interesting. It looks like it's working now. Let's see. Yeah. I wonder why that works like that. It's having the issue because you're running the command in the Android folder? No, dude, I'm in the root folder. I'm in the root folder, so we should be fine. I think it has something to do with our what is this thing? It's like it's not parallel, is it? Or maybe it is in parallel. I was trying to run it. You CC'd into Android in the script? Oh, gotcha. But guys, this is running the same command. npm run Android is doing the same shit. Right? Like, am I crazy, or just because we're running it from npm it's different? What's up, Corretto? Thanks for the feedback. Hey, what's up, gamer? Welcome in, man. Gotcha. Interesting. Okay. Huh. That's good to know. I actually had no idea. Okay, so Android start. No, we'll just do npm run Android. Alrighty. Well, thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Get status. Get add. Get commit. Tweaking. Android start script. Push it. Oh, yeah. So that's the issue I'm having. Yeah, I know. But I'm glad that we changed that, and I'm glad that I learned that. I didn't know that was actually a thing. All right, so we fixed the image stuff. That's good. Now, yeah, if you get a chance, where it's just I would love to see the error. If you just post it in Discord, whatever, I would love to see it. So I think we're finally ready to move on to the add song modal. It's going down, folks. And let's see what happens. Yes. It's go time. Okie dokie. So, with that being said, let me close out. I hate when there's so many freaking tabs open. Holy moly. So let's talk about what we gotta do here. See it. See it. See it. Collapse all. All right. So we have this thing, right? It's components. Our components, we have, I think the one we're looking for right now is in actually our playlist. And it's the, yeah, so it's add playlist modal, right? And this guy right here is what's actually popping up right here. And so if we have this popping up right here, we need to be able to make this more generic so we can have this either be a playlist or a song. The problem is with that is if we want to make it more generic, we need to maybe pass in like inputs, right? Because this is obviously different. It's going to be different for a playlist and it's going to be different for a song. A song, we're just going to have a link. Maybe like some text along with it. That actually would probably be good. So like a link and then maybe like a comment section. So let's just design it out first, right? But essentially it should be pretty much the same as what we have been looking at. But it's gonna be like cool. So it's gonna be add song modal. So these are just the two different states of our buttons. We have a inactive and active, obviously. And so I think this will be add song. Right? And then it can be something, we need just the song link. And then I guess technically it could be the same. And then maybe like this song is so cool. I don't know. Something like, I'm trying to think of like a clever little text that we can use. That would be dumb though. Did I tell you to switch back to the MacBook Pro from XPS 15? Oh, okay. Hell yeah, welcome back, Off. Why? Why'd you do that? I might make a Grüvee channel on Discord. That sounds cool, Royce. I'd be down for that. Hey, you right. You right. Once you go Mac, you never go back. Yeah, that's the word. Back. Wow. Jesus. Add. So I'm thinking for this, maybe we do like maybe not. Should we do a text box here? Should be something like this. They're like 5.5. Yeah, right? Maybe something along these lines. Let's group this real quick. Raw performance of XPS was an i9 8th gen and MacBook Pro is 9th gen. What a difference. Really? There's a big difference, huh? That's actually really cool. Huh. I've been wanting to get a new MacBook Pro. I just can't warrant buying one. It makes no sense for me. Like, it literally makes no sense. Would like it though. So if we do that, thing is we're probably gonna have to make it larger, and then this will probably have to be like some scroll view thing. It'll probably be a little jank to start when we first release it, but that's okay. But I think this is cool. Let's add maybe like a different background here. Anton, welcome. How's it going? Nice to see you, friend. Slightly off. Yeah. Okay. What background color should we do for that text input? Maybe the... Maybe our just default background color might be good. So like whatever this thing is actually. No, probably not, right? You're doing good? Yeah, I'm doing good too. Thanks for asking. Thank you, thank you. Maybe just this background, this text color might be kind of cool. We're just designing out a new modal, and then we're going to build it. Yeah. Maybe? I don't know. Esad, what's up, man? Welcome in. Stretch Master P, welcome. How you doing? 8th and 9th gen Intel processor have difference in base clock, which makes it seem much faster on MacBook Pros. Okay. Yeah, no, that makes sense. But usually I guess because the base clock is faster, you do feel the difference. It looks so weird. I don't think I like it too much. I think maybe we just do this kind of grayish background. It matches like the input. I don't know. Not really quite sure. Oh, it's the same text color. So let's... Or we could do... Or we can do just like this. Actually, it might look a little better. Hold on, let me show you what I mean. Yeah, Sketch, you can do it. Like something like this with then this border color. Not that border color. I lied, that is the border color. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Something along those lines. I have to leave now, so that's what I'll do. Have a good one, everybody. All right, yeah, I appreciate you being here, dude. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for coming by. Maybe a thicker border? Oh, okay. Yeah, of course, dude. A switch, man. That's actually a good call. Why does this gray look different, man? This is totally a different gray. That actually might be a good idea. Let's so remove that. I don't know why this looks like this. Oh, because the width, it's 0.5. So that's why. Yeah. Maybe we can do that for now. And new SSD from hard drive? Oh, nice, dude. That's probably a huge bump. And I just want to switch this text color back. I don't know, something like that maybe. Maybe something like that. We can at least go off of that for now. And then kind of feel it out. What's up, DK? Welcome. I'm not sold on the background. I think the background needs to be... I think the background like needs to be this, honestly. Hold on, let me just try one more thing. I'm like... I'm really like stuck on this right now. It's not stuck, but like I just want to... I want to see it, you know? Like that. No, I think this is good. I think this looks good. This needs a little bit of a backdrop or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, dude. But when you're looking at NVMe, yeah, it's definitely a different story. Build first, UX later. Yeah. No, you're right. This was... I shouldn't have spent so much time on that, but I really wanted to do that. All right. Now we go back here. I did just say that. What does above add? Oh, so this is just the disabled state of the button. Yeah. So if like something's not correct or whatever, then it'll say add. I'll just have that in there. Am I dropping frames? No, I haven't. The whole stream I've dropped 0.2%. Do as I say, not as I do. All right, so I think what the biggest thing here is we have this thing called a modal, right? In that modal, we have a header, and then we have an input container. So that input container, though, is this, the playlist name. Oh, the input container is this. So maybe what we should do is essentially we create a component that will be a modal. It has its backdrop already, right? Because I think that style is part of this. Oh no, backdrop is here. Where do I use backdrop? Oh, right here. This is the actual modal view itself. Oh, this actually will be a lot easier then. So I think our modal view should have the backdrop in it though, right? And then it has an automatic dismiss overlay action. And then our modal view will pass in the title, right? We'll have a input container, and then we can pass in like input components. I think we'll need to do that, especially if we need to associate them with actions, right? Hey, look, a cycle. Time work on a habit, be awesome. Okay. Pretty awesome, I guess, right? I forgot to start Slack. So true. Slack is pretty good. Yeah, it's kind of annoying, isn't it? It's like, it shouldn't be that way, but I guess there is a lot going on in the Slack world, right? All right, so we're gonna call this thing modal. We'll probably call this more so along the lines of like input modal, because that's what it is. And then what we're gonna want to do, we're gonna create our index.js here. All right, I'm gonna see if we maybe potentially can go for a first try here. Hopefully, in some aspect, we'll go for a first try. Close all this crap out. So I like to be able to see the whole screen. Okay, so we do that, and then we're gonna do a new file, input modal.js, and we will bring just this stuff in. I usually just copy like this initial stuff, and then we do const input modal equals this thing that does this thing that does that thing that does export default input modal. Okay. You could build your own Slack client. Hey, there you go. If you hate it, you got to build it. Oh, and then we need the new file here, input modal.styles.js for all of our stylistic needs. Yeah, and so I have been doing something like this. So it's just import swipe action. So then be import input modal from input modal, and then export. It's export, right? Yeah. Awesome. So now that looks good. And then we got our styles. Okay. And so now, let's start off by just adding some of the styles in here. So we can do import oh wait, how did I do the styles? Oh yeah, just styles from swipe to action styles. Yeah, like that. And then our add playlist modal. Let's go ahead and get backdrop, modal, header, input container, input. So we can grab these guys. Do something like this. Oh, well first I need to do import style sheet, right? Is 5 monitors too much? Ah! Depends. I never used 3 monitors until my new job. And then I was like, I could like potentially see myself using 4. You know? 5, I don't know. It seems like it's pushing it a little bit. But hey, to each their own, right? It might just work for you. And then stylesheet.create. There we go. I think that's pretty much actually just this. Cool. Just get that in there. We obviously have to go through and change some stuff. I use 2 at work, 1 at home. Oh, gotcha. Okay. I use 2 at home, 3 at work. Neck kind of aches after while turning all the time. Yeah, I was gonna say it's kind of like, unless you have a nice field of view, it's a lot in your face. Yo, what's up, Funky Cold Maiden? Funky Cold, someone will call you. Funky, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. I'm glad to have you, my friend. Thanks for being here. Okay, then we're pretty much just gonna grab these guys. So I'm thinking we need this, right? So why don't we generate const backdrop. I guess the setup is actually pretty sweet. So we just do this. And then whatever our modal view is here. So maybe we can call this like const generate modal view. And it'll be something like this. Positioning orange and con properly so you're not twisting for everything is going to be important. Yeah, for sure. And I just think like you can definitely use a lot of real estate for that, which could be good. Or you can just get one larger monitor or two larger monitors. Like what size are they? Like 27 inch? Or 24 inch maybe? Okay, cool. So we have this thing, this view in a fragment. We need to add that here though. Oh, do I not need to add fragment? Okay. So we add our fragment. We have our view. This view has this style thing, and then it's going to have this responder for our dismiss overlay, but we will add that in a minute. Then we're going to do our generate modal view. Our generate modal view is going to take in whatever's passed in for our input modal. Maybe just call this actually generate input modal. Probably a better name. And then we're gonna need this for sure. Actually, I guess we're gonna need all this really. We're pretty much moving this out and probably gonna delete that. Well, 100% gonna delete that. And we'll go from there. I have an iMac 324 inch. Gotcha. Okay. That's not too bad then. If they're 27 inches, I'd say that's probably like it's gonna be a tough sell. Okay, and then here's the modal view itself, right? So if we grab all this stuff, we're just gonna kind of work through it, tear it apart, see what we get. Guess we can probably just do this, right? I wish I had 5 monitors. Yeah, that would be pretty nice. Modal, so we'll call this modal title, or call this, I guess maybe just title. So let's start, I guess, passing these in like this. Title. And then title can go here. What do you mean? It's used right here. And then we have our input container. And so this is essentially where we're going to pass in our input component. So this should be rendered here. Should be all commented out. So the only issue I see here in our input component is we probably need to apply our own styling on each of these, which will probably have to happen in the parent component, right? Hey, James, welcome. Nice to see you. If you enjoy a bit of pain. Someone said they had two 34-inch widescreen curved monitors on top of one another. Oh, no. No, no, no. Why on top of one another? Sounds terrible. Okay, and then we have our add playlist button. So this... Wait, did I? Oh, snap. I forgot. We also need to refactor this. The add playlist button. Well, shit, man. Yeah, that's totally a thing that needs to happen. Nice Vespers. Yo, those LG wallpaper TVs are so cool. Yeah, I agree. Man, James, holy shit. It's a massive monitors. Jesus. Okay. Now I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking we might need to actually do an input container instead. No, I guess this is actually okay. The container's good. It's just the inputs that we don't really care about. I have one 27-inch ultra widescreen and a 27-inch 4K monitor. I want to put the ultra wide above my 4K one. Oh, that actually looked pretty cool. I think that's okay. I think that sounds good. I have, so my setup right now is my main one is a 2K 27-inch monitor. And then I have a 1080p 27-inch monitor, but it's horizontal. I'm sorry, it's vertical. I have found that to be actually pretty useful. Yeah, it sounds like it. 4K at 30 inches is probably super nice. Oh my, what? Okay, so I guess let's just test this out. I don't really know. Navigation contents. I'm just going to kind of do this stuff here. It's going to complain about a lot, actually. Especially the styles. I don't know why title doesn't... Did I spell this right? It's being used right here. Titles defined but never used. Titles already declared in the upper scope. But I'm just trying to pass it in, man. Like I don't... Oh, maybe because this is not considered a... Oh, I guess I don't really need to pass anything in. Right? We just use the title from there. There we go. Is a 20 Ti with a broken HDMI port worth it for $600? Ooh. How much? Those cards are like what, 700 or 800, or they're more, or they're like closer to 1,000. Ooh, okay, nice. It's a pretty good deal. Okay. So let's go to our song list view. God damn, I forgot about the add button. Oh, poop. It's gonna suck. I'm almost thinking it might make sense to start with that. Because I think that can be a fairly easy fix. Or what we can do, at least to see stuff, let's go ahead and just bring in add button swipeable song item. We can do import input modal from Grüvee components common input modal. Oh. There we go. And then we can just do input modal right here. Titles, add song. And then we just don't have a component to render out right now, which is fine. All right. I guess let's see this thing work. Because you know Australia. Oh. Coding the language is fine. Yeah, getting a nice module that builds to JS that you can use in Node is surprisingly annoying. Is it? Oh shit. That must have been probably a really annoying thing. So it's like, where do you import your module? Where do I go? I think we'll probably run into a couple build errors, but let's see what we got here. Yo, Dream Only 2101. What's up? Welcome in. Thanks for being here, friend. Hey, Poopa, welcome. Nice to see ya. Input modal styles. Yeah. Where are you, friend? Get modal height. Oh, or I guess we can just... It's actually probably a smarter way to do this. Like, just getting this stuff, right? Are we going to be able to do this is the question. So dimensions, style sheet, and then platform. And then it's, oh yeah, get modal heights right there. Nice. Okay, cool. Did I add this song list view? Saved, right? I thought at least it would have the backdrop here. Looks like it might not though. Oh, do I have to actually call it like that? No, that's gonna call 1,000 times, right? If I'm not passing anything in here, then we can just do this, right? And then that means we don't have to do that. Yeah. Okay, so it's it's down there, looking so good. I think that's how we should keep it. But it says add song, so we're getting there. Don't need that. Oh wait, shit, we do. I'm talking about. And then I guess we can. Yeah. Okay, so the way that we're doing it in the add playlist modal, when you select the plus button, where are you, friend? In the playlist view. Yeah, this guy, right? I did change this, right? Did I? Yeah. This is generic now, somewhat, maybe? I did. Okay. I thought I did that. Like I was trying to remember. So based on, yeah, we have to navigate to a certain one depending on what it is. So that's kind of hard coded unless we pass in like the proper navigation stuff, right? Ooh, excuse me. So what we could do is let's do a add item button. Because we got our modal now displaying. Obviously it's not in the right spot or any of that fun stuff, but we got it here. And what we want to do and what we got to do is key off of this add button. So let's go to, we're going to need this. We're not going to need that. Song list view. Our add button here, create action, create playlist action. That's okay for now. Our add button we need to though. I'm thinking we could do. We pass in a navigate action, and then we just do that there, and then it will navigate to the proper one. Hey, Blood and Steel, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here, friend. Yeah, so why don't we go ahead, we can pass in a new prop here, create action, and then modal navigate action, and then this guy will actually go in here, and then by render and then we can do const navigate to add song modal action. Right? And then here, we do this thing. So basically we just gotta do this. The thing here is I need navigation brought in first of all. We actually don't need this. The input modal in here. We got this over here. Yeah, actually, Poopa, did you, if you're able to get Android working, Wars was having some issues. I would like to know what they were. So navigation. Oh, no, I needed the actual navigation. Yeah, this thing. And I'll need navigation constants anyways, but. Right there. We're still, the latest is in, what's this branch called? Song list view. Poopa. That's the latest. We just pushed stuff actually probably like 30 minutes ago. Okay, so navigation. Navigate blah. Show overlay components. And now we have to add to our navigation constants, which I forgot about. Yeah, so we have to do all the navigation stuff now. So let's go to navigation constants. Export const, add song modal nav ID. Oh, snap. Wait a minute. Wait just a dosh darn second there. This actually might not work as I'm expecting. Yeah, okay. So since it's, we have to actually change the ID of this component to be something completely different. So this is just gonna be add modal nav ID. And then once we get that done, we can switch this over to that. Since it's using the same, yeah, since it's gonna be using the same component. Navigation dot Grüvee dot add modal. Should you call it add? Or we should probably call it input modal, since that's what the component's called. Input modal nav ID. So then we'll call this. Hey, Terminal Bash, welcome in, man. Thanks for being here. Dot ID, and then pretty much the same deal. Dot its name. Oh, I didn't put name. Input modal. Okay, and then we can go to this thing here. And we're going to do navigation.register component. That's going to be the navigation constants dot input, or wait, what? Input modal nav ID. Or nav name. And then we're going to do import input modal from Grüvee components input modal. And then that should go right there. And heck yeah, we got it registered. We just got to restart our bundle though. I think that should be pretty solid there. Let's refresh that, make sure it built. Could not be found. Okay. Did I do input? Wait, Grüvee. Oh, common. That's why. Missed one level there. Hey, Fred. Typo, collaborate on a playlist together, discover new music with friends. Discovery? Oh, discovery. Ah, I'm like, what? What are you talking about? Yes, thank you, Fred. Hi, by the way. Hey, thanks for the heads up. I'm going to change that real quick. I don't know how to do things. Discover new music with friends. All right. Thanks for that, Fred. How are we doing today? What framework are you using? I am using React Native. Yeah, doing well, Fred. Thanks for coming by. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. I feel like I'm finally getting into a groove with like how this stuff is working, which is pretty cool. I'm very excited about that. Okay, so we have navigate to add song modal action. So we're going to then navigate to our overlay, or we're going to show an overlay, and this thing is going to be called input. Why isn't my stuff working anymore? It's actually really annoying. I gotta look into that. Input modal nav ID, and then input modal nav self, right? And then, oh, we need to pass a create action, which I don't think we do. Yeah, we currently won't pass anything. So we're just trying to get the modal just to show up right now first. And then here, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take this, and then we're going to say, where's our add item button? Yeah, thanks, Terminal. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. It's called modal navigate action. Modal navigate action. So we're going to go modal. Oops. Modal navigate action. Wapa. There we go. So we got that. Modal navigate action. And so at this point, this needs to go into the playlist list view. But right now, modal navigate action should properly take us over to our janky playlist. Or maybe not. Cannot read property to string of undefined. Okay. Okay. Oh, we got a cycle. We got a cycle. Take medication. I don't have any medication to take, but I'll take a sip of coffee for you. Modal navigate action. I registered the component as input modal. Right, and we input modal, okay. Input modal nav name. Oh, nav name is not. Oh wait, it is what I called it. Okay. Hold up, this is probably why. Yeah. I think that was the issue. So we go in here, do that. Oh no! It didn't work. Do you remember the company adding a clause to their terms of service that claimed ownership of the user's soul if they accept it? Yeah, I do. That's right here. We just sell your soul below. Not a big deal. Like we do it every day, right? It's okay to sell your soul every once in a while. It's all right. No one has to know. Is that the reference? It actually wasn't. I didn't know that was actually a thing. But now it is a reference. Hey, Kotelli, welcome back. Nice to see you. Okay, let's see if our actual component is even here. What? Expected to find at least one React render? Well, that seems odd. Do we ruin Poopa's Tuesday too? I have no idea. He's been gone. It was Game Station 2010. Oh, it's actually really funny. No, I had no idea. Excuse me. I think we're having a render issue. That's what it is. Okay, hold up. Let's do this. I think it might be this. Oops. Actually, no, because I click on this and nothing shows. It does that occasionally? Songless view. Am I missing something? I feel like I'm missing something. I just want Android to work. I want it to work too. I'm confused why it's not working. Because it seems like it's picking up. Maybe let's do... Let's do a rebuild of kind of everything, right? I don't know. Full reload up, yeah. Well, so Android works on my simulator or emulator, but Roars was saying she forked the repo and she wasn't able to get it working, unfortunately. Okay, let's do some debugging here. Because something is happening along this line. So let's first make sure that our action is actually getting called. So navigate to add song modal action. Navigating. Oh. Okay, so we have navigating, running application, Grüvee input modal, initial props equals component ID, navigation Grüvee input modal.id. Attempting to start a timestamp that already exists. Render application. Okay. Of interest in that TOS Soul story, HuffPost has an article. I can share the link if you like or not. I'm easier either way. Yeah, I would love to see it. That would be awesome. Feel free to share it in the Discord or here. Yeah, that would be great to read. I wonder how many people signed it. We're like, I accept. Probably a lot of people. But it still should show up. We should still at least have a backdrop, right? Wow, why so many cycles? What did I do? I guess the other thing was to see if... Hello, Inspector? Hello, Inspector. The Inspector is actually not popping up here. Why? None of my controls are working for you, iOS. Okay, I'm gonna hold up. I think there's something going on with my simulator. That was really weird. No, it's cool. Either way, it's cool. Here at Discord. Yeah. Oh my god. Easy a peasy, lemon a squeezy. You know what I'm saying? Okay. It's weird. It opens and closes. I don't know why. DSC. JavaScript is the worst thing that happened to humanity. Let's go. Okay. Wow. You feel very strongly about not liking JavaScript. When in doubt, restart. Yeah, I know, right? Turn it off and on again. There it is. No, dude, there's something wrong with expected to find at least one React renderer. How come I'm not rendering anything? Ledger, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here, friend. She's just joking with you, DC. DS. DSC. We like JavaScript here. Don't abuse my side piece like that. Oh. It's true, though. We got something going on here, folks. Why can't I figure it out? Do 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 do. Modal navigate action. I don't know. I did something. It's broken. I wish it wasn't broken. Why can't you work? I thought I did the thing that I was like on a roll. I'm like, yo, I'm going to do this. It's great. And then I died. Whoa, holy follows Batman. Oh, whoa. What? What? Why are there 1,000 of the same people following me right now? What the heck? That was really weird. Okay. I literally got Swazbwick 17282 like a million times. That followed, and a bunch of are these bots? What's going on? This is weird. Yeah, I don't know. Jaja Kanapa. some interesting names. Okay. Well, I'm gonna turn off the alerts for a second. Yeah, some do look legit though, but there's like the same person followed like 3 or 4 times. Oh no, they're different people. No, I don't think they're legit. Maybe. If you are legit, thanks. Appreciate you. Maybe it's delayed broken? No, but there is... Yeah. No, I think it's I think it's something that's not... It's not good. Yeah, no, that's... I was gonna say, if we just had a larger viewer account, that would make sense. Because it just like spammed in out of nowhere. Yeah, hold up. Yeah, no, I think it is. That was really weird. Okay, hold up. Let me turn this off. Actually, I don't even know how to do that. How to turn off the sound. Someone's testing an API call? Oh god. Sounds about right. Hey Cody, what theme are you using for VS Code? I'm using Adam Dark 1. Yeah, I don't know terminal. This is really weird. I'm gonna get all these emails now too. That sucks. Wow. Hold up. Let me see if I can turn off the... I guess the alerts aren't that bad, the noise. I just don't know how many there are back there. I think I can do it from Streamlabs. Just give me 1 second, guys. That was really weird. I'm very curious to know like what that was. Okay, I think it's done. So I think we're actually good. I'll give you a legit follow. Hey, thanks Terminal Bash. Appreciate you. I love the legitness. Looks nice. Thanks, Cody. Yeah, it's a cool theme. I would highly recommend it. I used Atom a lot before I switched to VS Code. Excuse me. And I love the Atom theme, but VS Code is like a million times better text editor. 100%. Well, anyway, sorry about that. I don't know what happened. For a minute, I was like, wait a minute. Has my dream come true? Am I getting raided by someone massive? But no, I don't think so. I don't think that was it. It literally was just like of follows, and I'm like, whoa, what the heck is going on? Then I noticed the names all seem very similar. Anyways, okay. So our input modal is not showing up. I guess we should, but when we try to inspect it, 1986 followers, let's go. Oh my god, holy crap. 14 followers away. 14 followers away from 2,000. My god. This is so exciting. No, whoever spammed, do it again so we can get to 2,000. Yeah, come back, bots. Come back. It's okay, we need to get to 2,000. Yo, Proxylosaur, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you here. Even if you are a bot, it's cool. I respect it. I respect it. Just for the heck of it, I want to try something. So we have these past props things How does this work? I wonder, like title, add song. I'm definitely not a bot. Hey, that's even better. I love it. Thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate you being here. Unexpected token? The heck you mean unexpected token? Oh, wait. That's probably why. Ass. Add song. And let's go to our input modal. Let's just make sure that we're like, you know, actually getting something here. I literally just felt like a 5-year-old kid. I saw ass and I'm like, huh, ass. Now everyone's like, ass. Oh man. Wow, so that didn't like something there. Okay, that's all right. We'll deal with you later. Okay, so add song. The title did come through, so that's good. But my modal still does not appear here. Like, not even my backdrop. I'm so sad about that. Where? Oh. Oh. I think I know why. Possibly. Probably because there's no height or width on the backdrop, is there? Nope. Definitely does not look like there is that there. But there was no height or width on the playlist view one, right? Oh, but it had content inside. So that's probably why, right? Is that going to fix our issue? I don't know. It doesn't seem like it, but I don't know. It doesn't hurt to try. Doesn't hurt to try. Let's just screen width, height, screen. No. Height. Very curious to see that. Colonel Burrito, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in to the Pixel Logic team. 1987, folks. 1987. Holy moly. Oh, there's the modal up there. Why doesn't the inspector work? I'm so confused why you don't work. What is wrong with you? I don't get it. Hey, Colonel Burrito. What's up? Axermit? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Axer? Is that cool? Axer, thanks so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixel Logic team, my friend. Glad to have you. Festify seems a little broken right now. It don't like us. And it looks like the background color is not being applied. Oh man, I really don't know here. And I don't know why this thing isn't working. Oh, there it goes. Expected to find at least one React render. Let me go ahead and look at that real quick. It might point us to what we're having here. spent nearly an hour earlier doing the I don't know why this doesn't work thing. I named two things the same thing. I'm dumb. You know what, Fred? That's probably exactly what's wrong with me as well. Literally, probably exactly what's going on. Yo, Creative CJ, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here. Folks, that's 1989. Holy moly. We're getting so close. End of the week, 2000. Totally doable. Why are you not here? Solved with React Dev Tools, but we haven't had any issues with React Dev Tools. Like, what the heck? What the heckle? You know what I mean? What? I've resolved this issue by adding flex 1 to the top parent element in the hierarchy? What? It's really easy to break stuff. It is. It's too easy, right? I spent 2 hours, 2 or so hours trying to solve some Docker problems with volumes. It ended up being a dot out of place. Oh my God, man. Isn't that the worst? I think that's why linters are so important. Like, so important. What the heck is this? Adding flex 1 to the top parent? Why? I mean, that is here, but why would that break? Why would that fix it, I guess? Oh, unless I wonder if these, I wonder if, do we have to pass in our screen and all this stuff in here? Maybe. For more than 2 seconds? Dude, I managed to do it. What can I say? Yeah, and Aaron calls her earlier, right? No chance that's the result of that. No, it's not. That oh, here are these things though. I've never seen these. Oh, these are just front application things. Maybe it's the culprit. Yeah, I mean that's. Yeah, here's that one from before. Actually, you're talking about. Yeah, this is for a cell render stuff, so it shouldn't have any effect on what that is. But folks, I actually have to go, unfortunately. So we will have to debug this tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, this has been here for a bit. I don't know exactly what it is. I haven't really looked at it, but nothing too crazy. Hey, Tropical Palms, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. That brings us to 1991 followers on the channel. My God, we're doing it. But anyways, I appreciate you all being here. Thanks for coming by. If you haven't, give the channel a follow. Would love to have you back. Get notified when I go live, and help me get to 2,000 followers by the end of the week. I'd really appreciate you. That's after I was born now. Uh-oh. When I get 1993. Yeah, thank you all for coming out. It's been a good time. I hope you enjoyed the stream. As you can see, this is a very chill stream. I hope we build stuff, but we also like messing around and breaking a lot of things. That's my go-to usually, breaking things. So give the channel a follow and also consider joining the Discord. We'd love to have you all in there. We have a lot of people there helping out with code, showing off projects, and yeah, just having a good time. So thank you all again for being here. Hey, see you, Fred. Thanks for being here. Also, at the end of every stream, we love to raid. We love doing the raids, helping out some other programming streamers out in the world. So those are the messages for the raid. Rip the bun. If you're a sub, grab that first one. That's Adelan, rip the bun. And if you're not, no worries. Grab the second one, Twitch raid, rip that bun. Let's see who's on in the programming world today. I usually try to raid people that are just starting streaming. So I'd love to see who we got here. Usually web development has a lot. Maybe just programming in general. Let's see. Oh, Inktober, day 15 drawing today? This actually might be kind of cool. Fed up with bugs? Oh, no mic. No, I want a mic, man. I want a mic. Terrain map generator? C++. How do you feel about this? We should raid this guy. It's only had 4,000 viewers. Two viewers at the moment. Let's do it. Why not? Why not? Linden. Don't be a dick. Sounds good. Rip the bun. Everyone hop on the raid. Let's show this man some love. Thank you all for being here. Again, we're here Monday through Friday, 12:30 p.m. UTC and 5:30 a.m. PST. We'd love to have you here. Again, same time, same place tomorrow. But until then, folks, have a fantastic rest of your day. And I will catch you all the next time. Peace.